a young lady, to me, you only bring stuff by yourself. Let it go. Because if them threaten you and you come out and I say these things, I don't know, yeah. You will take over for me because it's like me I speak Spanish. I don't understand.
No, because if them are threatening her, she don't want to continue. Don't provoke anything where unnecessary upon your head. Leave that alone. And just deal with what Mr. T do to you. You can't talk about that. Leave the Jayden stuff alone. Because that's a delicate stuff. Amazing.
But now I'm going to do that. Reason being, it's like Mother being. The young lady cried out for help. Because Mr. T did something to her.
This is Shanique lie.
That's shot. I want this done, Tasha.
Hello, good night.
Hi, Don. You only have 3 followers, you already know.
You cut them off for the family then.
Cross system, man. Come down. Guys, I don't know. But no, in my heart, so Mr. T hurt her. I understand, say, you're the only person willing to talk, baby girl. And you know why me I give you the moment for talk? You hurt. And me also give you a mother the advice. Leave this alone. Let this go, sister.
Not what Mr. T do her, but the Jayden Smith part of it.
Jayden Smith part, she need to let go.
Leave that, because that's where they might try run from you now.
But I can't help you fight the Mr. T with Mr. T.
No.
I'm willing to fight the Mr. T part with you as a woman. I'm willing to make the whole world know so Mr. T to watch out for Mr. T. First, hi. So they will come up, family, I come up saying so 5, so when you have enough, take for yourself. And it's
Jayden that drunk on Newport every day. Rum bar.
Oh, guys.
Yeah, we left now, chat. We could continue.
Yeah, boy, continue to talk for me.
We that talk about something.
Continue to talk for me. I'm going to reach out to you, young lady. I'm going to try. I'm going to try get your counseling. I will. I think I want to do that for you. I'm going to reach out to a doctor or somewhere in Jamaica. Are you willing? Are you willing, baby girl, to get the counseling? Yes or no? Somebody, Purple Heart. Somebody said FI bother them.
FI?
Tell me who says so.
This Nick. Why they keep typing FI? Purple Heart. The FI. Oh, Purple Heart said the FI about her. He or she, I don't know who the person is.
No, I the woman Purple Heart to talk to.
Oh.
Purple Heart come over here every night, you know. Purple
Oh.
Heart, I'm a follower. Yeah, what child? Me not know. Me need to reach out to this young lady.
Yeah, because what she need to do? Leave the Jayden Smith thing alone.
Yes,
Focus.
help her get counseling.
Yeah, focus on what Mr. T do and leave the Jayden Smith case alone. Because it's a very delicate case. And trust me, them a do everything not to come front. And if she said them a threaten her, you don't want to continue. Because you don't want to provoke anything.
Yeah, she's hurting. That's why, listen, you see, sometimes people that say, for the deal with her, blah, listen. You see me? Me's a person who stand up with woman. And if some hurt her or what we can help her with, I'm willing to get help for her.
Something sensitive that goes against. Oh, okay. The person clarify.
No. Tonight is the with a feel urgent tonight.
Yeah, maybe you should have come off early.
Yeah, what? Talk for me tonight.
I'm gonna talk and tell her. Oh,
Never
boy.
reach out. May I ask her? Where she there?
She willing to go counseling?
I'm gonna say she will come up here. I'm if I talk to her after the live.
No, not up here.
No, man, I'm gonna talk to her after. I'm gonna figure out how.
If she come up with something else, but
I'm gonna
anything
figure
else.
out how to get her counseling somewhere up in a. Somebody in a New Kingston.
I
get
just here knowing that they can. That is why you just leave that plate by ear. Since you're scared, leave that alone.
Guys, me know she hurt, you know. Let me tell you something. You see how she, when she talk about Mr. T, if una woman and
You can't hear it.
you can feel in this young lady. Mr. T violate her. Me want me to have a show one night when we can call him out and we talk about this. But we have to get our counseling first. So when she come over here and talk about it, well, she will be more prepared. Because until she get over this earth is continue, I go follow her. And she feel like Mr. T need for pay.
Of course it'll be here.
Problem. And he needs to pay.
It must be here.
To her.
Of course.
But at the end of the day, we have to protect her and protect our safety. Our safety is our number one motive. You understand? And when at 13 years old, imagine a man just come and do what he want to do with you. And then give you $3,000 for you keep your mouth shut.
That's disgusting.
Yeah. Imagine yourself. Imagine yourself like that. And if she come out and talk and we know, like say, abandon her in at this time, we just as bad. That's why we now go block her because somebody said for block her. But that would never be the wisest thing to do. Because for somebody come out and share them pain like this openly. I want to find out what.
All right.
What the urgent update, baby girl? I'm gonna listen to her.
She coming up?
Just say urgent update. Update me in inbox, baby girl. Update me in my inbox, baby girl. Somebody else sleep. That's the way let me see if she up. She'll send me. Somebody asleep in your background.
Me?
Yeah.
No, sir.
How are you a breathe so hard?
Me saying me I try to scout out what go on. Anxiety. I'm anxious. I want to find Jayden.
Now we're fine.
Good day.
You have something to say good night?
Oh, good night, good night. You know, so me just mistaken and press that thing. I try to send my message. And I think I mistaken and press the thing. But
Oh, you just send me a message. Alright.
Yeah, I follow you all along in about. Just something come to my mind for a long time.
Maybe you want to send a message and say it out about.
Me think them have him buried at the churchyard, but because the churchyard nobody not gonna want to search it.
Yeah. Somebody else said that to you.
You know, so my husband said that?
I found the first day I said if you check the churchyard, I just say him there, but that's why the pastor involved in it.
Huh? Oh, you mean the principal?
Whoever they want to call him.
Yeah, so whatever they want to call him.